Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your graphic level of details in Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I made this video for a beginner or new into this game. If you are running low or get some lags in your game, you can adjust your graphic level of details. So let's get started by tap the icon setting here and this one, display. So you can adjust quality control or graphic here. So if you're running in low gadget or low mobile, you can running in low, but if you are support, you can go in very high, but I recommend you to medium or low. So I'm for smoother gameplay, I'm running it in low with low resolution, also with low graphic, and if you manage to 60 fps it will be good, and low shadow detail, and got a power saving mode. Turn on the power saving mode, and also you can see in brightness. If you prefer brighter, you can slide to the right. If you want darker, slide to the left. So please adjust your graphic or quality for smoother gameplay. And also you can adjust while in game. Tap this one, plus icon at the top of your screen, and this one, tap the setting, and you can tap the display here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.